Question, Ace Pro 2 or Go Ultra ng Insta360? So, bigyan ko kayo ng iba pang idea. Actually, nasagot ko na to. Pero, yun nga, balik tayo ulit. Si Go Ultra, hindi replaceable yung battery niya. Though, alam ko, parang replaceable naman yung action pad niya. Pero I'm not sure kung makaka-purchase kayo ng action pad niya. Dito naman kay Ace Pro 2, replaceable yung battery. Pwede kang bumili ng extra battery. So, if in case na maubos yung battery natin, on the spot, pwede natin siyang palitan right away. When it comes to camera quality, parehas naman silang okay when it comes to stabilization, pero when it comes to photo quality, iba pa rin si Ace Pro 2 kasi nga co-engineer din siya with Leica, and also specialty talaga nito yung photography, wide photography shots. Sabi nila nagkakaroon ng overheating si Go Ultra. I'm not sure based sa ibang mga nagko-comment, pero bihira lang naman daw yon. Usually kapag daw 4K 60 FPS yon. Pero I think okay naman siya. Pero yun nga, kung gusto niyo mas heavy duty, Ace Pro 2, meron tong Grip Pro, Explorer Grip Pro, pwede kayo mag-purchase nun. It really depends on the use case or ideal use case niya. So ayun lang muna. I hope this helps and follow for more.